Hello and welcome to the last day, day 12 of Food Stories of Hope and Inspiration. So today is traditionally a day that here in England, people put away their Christmas decorations. It's a 12 days of Christmas, and we've been doing 12 food stories. And for me, that's always a day that I truly put the past year behind me, including the so-called festive season, which last year, 2020, hasn't been so festive as usual for quite a few of us. And I include with that Diwali, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year. Everything has been a little bit different in 2020. So this is a time to start looking forward. This is a time to start looking forward to creating new celebrations and food memories for 2021. And I mentioned yesterday my favorite quote. Yeah, my favorite quote that inspires me is that food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate. In 2020, we've not been able to share love over food the way we were used to, but we are on the verge now. We are in 2021 with 365 opportunities to do that, be it virtually for some of them. So I've been sharing my 11 food stories with you, sometimes with Abby and also with Nellie, my special guests. Today is about you. Today is about your food story for 2021. And I'd like you to imagine a year from now, January 2022, what food story will you tell me of 2021? So imagine it's January next year and you look back over the year just gone. What food story would you tell me? So I'd like you to find out, and I'd like you to play along with this. I'd like you to close your eyes. Don't worry, I'm not going to hypnotize you, but no cheating, and I do not want to look at you. In fact, I'm going to turn my camera off temporarily. Okay, so you're not distracted by looking at me. Yep. Now you close your eyes. Now you're not distracted by me. And I want you to think. Take a deep breath and think about where you are in January 2022. You're telling me your best home food memory, not traveling or abroad, that's a different story. Your best home food memory of 2021, your dream one, your most memorable one of the year that will have just gone by. Who are you with? Maybe you're alone, if that's how you feel safe and most happy and relaxed. Look around you. Where are you? Are you cooking? Are you eating? Are you inside or outside? In your kitchen? In a dining room? Is it a formal dinner or a lunch? What's the lighting like? If you're outside, what's the weather like? What does your table look like? Is it festive or is it casual and relaxed? Is the food beautifully plated up, or are you sharing things at the table, passing around dishes from one to the other? Keep your eyes closed and keep imagining yourself there, your favorite food memory that you're going to create in 2021. What are you eating? Is it something comforting from your childhood? Something you tried on your travels and you've recreated? A family favorite? Something you discovered or rediscovered? What does it look like? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? And how do you feel? How do you feel right there in that food memory that you're going to create in 2021? Did you cook it? Did someone else cook it for you because you prefer it that way? Just relish in that moment. This is your dream home food memory of 2021. Be there. Be present. Open your eyes. And you're back in the room. I've always wanted to say that. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'd love you to share what you just saw in your mind's eye in the comments if you so wish. I'd love to see what that home food memory is that you are going to create and hopefully relish in 2021. And what can you do, or can you do to make that possible? What do you think you need to make that come true? Now, I know the world is crazy, and there's lots of things that we cannot take control over, but we can take control of our cooking, of our kitchens. So what is it you think you need to make that come true, if anything? Do you need more skills? Do you need more knowledge, recipes? Maybe you need more confidence, more inspiration, a better understanding of the chemistry of cooking or why things go wrong, like Abby's exploding poffertjes batter that we talked about the other day. Maybe you need more courage to adapt or change recipes and make them your own, like Marianne did, and she shared it in our group the other week with her rice tafel. Is it better planning? Is it more kitchen gadgets like a slow cooker or a stand mixer or something that makes things easier for you to create and be creative? Was it a whole new kitchen? Well, in that case, I can't help you. I can't help you with a whole new kitchen. But how are you going to make sure that that dream 2021 food memory that you just experienced is going to come true? What's holding you back? I don't know. Only you know. Only you know if there's something holding you back. This is your food story that you're building. Your favorite food memory for 2021 for yourself and hopefully also for your loved ones for 2021 and beyond. I don't know the answer to that question, but I do know, if you let me, I can help. I can help if you are willing to invest in your own food story of 2021 and beyond, whatever that looks like, whatever you've just seen when you closed your eyes. It could be through personalized coaching. It could be through one of my group programs. It could be through a wonderful Facebook community, through one of cooking experiences. As I said, we're not in control of everything that's going on around us, but we can take control of what we do in our kitchens. We can improve from whatever skill level we're at, beginner, medium, advanced. There's always things we can learn and want to maybe make better, more relaxed, easier, learn. The food story and the memories that you create for yourself and your loved ones, as I've been sharing mine with you this week, I think are what can keep on inspiring us every day when we can. So I have put the Christmas decorations away today even. And remember on day one, I told you about little Millie's festive orange, the Christingle. I've used the orange that represented the world. I've eaten the sweets that represented the 4 seasons. But I've kept the candle. I've kept the little candle from Millie's festive orange. And with your permission, I would like to light that candle for you, to light your way to your favorite food memory that you're going to create in 2021. And on that note, I thank you for being here with me for these 12 days. The recordings will stay available, but for now, I wish you a great day and a great inspired year of cooking. Enjoy.